Alright, guys, we're just playing back some, we're just playing some more Flugscape. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just playing Flugscape, honestly. So, we're just gonna get my gear and stuff. I'm in the thingy. Alright. Alright, whatever, okay. I'm in it. Just gonna play some Flugscape. That's all. Not doing much. Just playing some Flugscape. Alright, I have my mic on. I think. I don't even know. I don't know when I turn my. Okay, I probably do have my mic on. Let me check. Alright, I do. Why did I just jump over there? That was the most stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Alright, well, you can't do much here. Oh, click. So I guess we should just come up here and get in here. Alright, man. Up here. My thing needs to have a cooldown, so just gonna come in here. Alright. Alright, we good. We not good. Yes, we are. We got this, man. We got this. We got this. Oh, bro. Oh, shoot. My keys. They're doing the thingy. Okay, I'm dead. They're doing the thing where they don't interact with my player because my computer is not that good. It's alright, man. It's alright. Doesn't matter. You think it's gonna affect me keys? Good luck. Alright, I'm gonna come up here. Why is this game lagging? Alright, doesn't matter. Alright, get that button. My character is so big, so I don't know when I'm like stepping. It's interesting. It's interesting. You coming in, bro? Alright, you coming in. Alright, let's go. We getting the button. Alright, we good. We good, man. We good. We probably not good, honestly. Oh, we good. Just gotta hop up there. Like so. Alright. It's just the code. We're okay. We're good. I mean, I think we got this, man. Or not. I don't know. I did it. You having some? Okay, you did. Alright. Well, that's the end. I was just playing Flugscape, so yeah. Bye, I guess.